This is me, Bianca Naka, and I am here with this lovely hair that I am rocking today. And this is Nadula T-part lace wig in a 16-inch. I love this color, and I really am not big. I'm really not big on colors when it comes to wigs. I like to keep it simple, but I wanted to try this wig because from the length to the look, the style, it just gives me like a classy look, you know, like something like sophisticated and grown and sexy, not too long, not too short, not too thick. So I want to give you guys a close look. Now this is the color FB30. Not sure, but I'm gonna leave the information below so you can see what color this is. What I did was I just threw some wand curls into it just to give it like a wavy look. The hair did come in straight, and I just decided to go ahead and add some waves to it. So it did drop. I mean, it was a little bit more curlier than this. After I did it, I just let it sit a little bit, let it drop. I like the look when it drops because it looks more natural, and this is the outcome. I am going to let you guys see how I install it and just give you more information about the wig. If you are interested in that, you can stay tuned to watching this video. But before we get into that, I just want to give you guys the specs on this hair. This way you know what you're getting yourself into. The first thing I did notice about this wig is that it is little head friendly. So if you have a big head, you may want to order a larger cap. It does come with adjustable straps. I personally always use the tightest strap because I have a small head, and with this wig I actually didn't have to adjust anything, and it still fitted very snug. So it still fit really snug. So, you know, just keep that in mind. For this to be a T-part wig, you know, knowing that I can just grab this and step on out, don't gotta really do much, but add a couple little curls and keep it moving, girl. So yes, this is definitely business friendly, school friendly, work friendly. Going to a meeting, it's not too loud, but it's still, you know, it's still saying something. The lace I really love the most about this, it is HD lace, so it does blend in with your skin. I'm going to post a comparison of the lace against my skin so you can know what it looks like. So if you're my complexion, you'll know what you have to do, if you need to tint lace or not. I usually always just go back and add makeup to the wig anyway, so that's just something that I do personally. But enough of me talking, I'm just gonna get right into the video of the styling. If you love this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment below if you love this look, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, so once I applied my cap and cut the lace off of the wig, I went ahead and applied some makeup to the lace wig just to give it more of a, you know, natural look. Okay, so once I applied the wig, I didn't use any glue whatsoever, so this can be a glueless wig. I added some wand curls to give it like a beach wave look. And for me personally, I just curled backwards. I just wanted to give it, you know, like a messy look, but not too neat as well. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to keep curling one side of the hair. I'm not going to do both sides on camera, but I will show you guys the end result. This way you can see the outcome. So if you want to keep watching, keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm feeling myself. I can't wait to go outside and show this look off. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.